guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Aakriti, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. Today is Mother's Day and you will know the backstory of dressing up like this on a Sunday through this video. So usually on Mother's Day every year we tend to go out, have fun, celebrate this day, make mama feel special because it's a day which is celebrated to celebrate her. So because of all this going on, we couldn't get out today. We decided to bring the dinner date to our home. So I cannot emphasize on how much I hate cooking and going to the kitchen to make food instead of serving it on my own plate and then eating it later. But I decided to cook for my mom for Mother's Day, and she was really excited. So I wanted to make a wholesome meal for her, including things that she really likes to eat. So I decided to make roti and sabzi and everything Indian that she really loves. And then we served it, and then we asked mama to get ready, and we ate food together. And it was fun because she really liked it. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along this day when I literally sweated like a pig. I sweated like a pig this day because it's so hot in the kitchen. I do not understand how moms can be in the kitchen and cook such good food every day. No, thrice a day. And then we additionally demand for more food for kids like me. So hats off to all the moms in the world. I really respect your dedication, your passion, and your love for your family. You guys, all of you guys are so precious. So with that said, let's get into today's video. So for Mother's Day, we decided to make paneer butter masala, bhindi ki sabzi, and raita along with roti. I went over the internet, hunted for these recipes, and then started making food. We are making paneer butter masala for the first time ever. So I've chopped these onions. छोटा चॉप करने को बोला था रेसिपी में, तो मैंने सेम टू सेम क्यूब्स की तरह इनको चॉप कर दिया है. There are some 8 cashews to be precise, और मैंने इनको तोड़ लिया है छोटा छोटा काफ़ी देर लगा के. मम्मी कहती है काजू को मिक्सी में डालने से पहले अच्छे से भिगो लेना चाहिए. यूजिंग टमाटो प्यूरी, पर आप चाहें तो आप टमाटर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. so hot. So it's time for our dinner date, and I didn't know what to wear, so I went on and wore this cute dress that I have with this weird prints. I didn't feel like dressing up at all after all the garmi and pasina, so I took a shower and started to get dressed. Now I'm simply braiding my hair from the front so that they stay in place. Yes.
बिल्कुल रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल सही में बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है अमेजिंग
I forgot to film the conclusion of this video, but I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video. Comment down below how you celebrated Mother's Day and how did your mom like it when you celebrated a day that was to celebrate her, and share the video if you really like it. I will see you guys very soon with a fun video, and till then, keep loving yourself guys, because you deserve every little penny of love, and I love you guys. So I will see you very soon. Till then, ta-ta, bye-bye. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the cute little bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Okay, I forgot. It doesn't mean you have to forget. Okay, please click on the subscribe button and enjoy watching all these fun videos that I'm trying to come up with.